Allowing users to select multiple options at once can save you from a lot of hassle. With WP Fluent Form's multiple choice field, you can do just that. Scroll to the multiple choice field from the general fields and click on it. You can also drag and drop it. Or click on the plus icon on your blank form and select multiple choice from the drop-down menu. Now hover over the input field and click on the edit icon. Set your element label and place your label. Choose where you want it to appear, at the top or left of the field, or nowhere at all. Labels are shown at the top by default. Define your admin field label and placeholder. Set your options. You can do that by defining the options one by one, or you can also provide the options as each line in bulk. Click on the plus icon to add more values, or on the minus to delete any unnecessary one. You can also drag and drop the options to rearrange them. Check Show Values to see different values in the database as your preference. Clear Selection button comes handy when you want no item selected as the default. If you want this field as required, click Yes and customize the error message. Do further customization with the advanced options. For more details on the advanced options, go to the link provided on the description box. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon.